myself I wouldn't get nervous. What if she's not right? What if I'm not right? Ty? No Ty.
Hey, Josephine!
What are you monologuing about in here?
Nothing you'd know anything about. Chaz.
Are you kidding me?
Sounds like girl problems.
Your brother Superior invented girl problems. Well, it's not that simple. I was trying to plan the love interest for my new novel and...
She ain't even real?
See, I knew you would get it.
Wrong again, bromeliad. My first 5 girlfriends were totally fictional. They were all related and they all hated each other. If anyone knows about this stuff, it's me.
You think you can solve my literary love interest roadblock? In record time, baby.
Set a timer for 2 minutes.
Oh, alright.
Let's do this, Cupid.
The first thing you have to do is make sure your story should even have a love interest. It's become such a staple. Authors sometimes fail to consider if it even contributes anything to the overall plot. Make sure your love interest is a person. It should be more than someone's lady piece or man piece. All major characters should be treated like individuals with their own thoughts and personalities. Nobody should be an accessory. Make sure it makes sense. Sure, the enemies to lovers romance arc is interesting, but it's also incredibly complex. It should take time. And it makes sense why your characters fall under one another's spells. Newsflash, an assassin going to kill somebody and the guy she's going to kill are not going to fall for each other, barring some kind of serious shared trauma or a huge change of heart. Too fast and it becomes way too shallow to be realistic or believable. Make sure you give those lovebirds something in common. Sure, opposites attract, but have you ever met 2 people that are really truly opposites in every sense of the word? If they can't agree on a single core value, 2 people's personalities are going to grate. They probably wouldn't even be able to stand being in the same room as each other, let alone being in a committed relationship. Sure, romantic characters should have their differences, but that can't be all they have. While we're on the subject, go ahead and give those lovebirds a few differences, too. People are complicated. They're a melting pot of nature and nurture that's individual to each of us. Nobody's going to have everything in common with anybody, so make sure to give them a couple differences, too. They should disagree, they should struggle, and they should grow as individuals and a couple. Remember, some relationships are just part of a character's journey. Not everyone needs to end in marriage or happily ever after. Sometimes people simply grow from having been a part of each other's story for a short while, which can send a powerful message in a story. Also, don't be afraid to show your supporting characters some love. Sure, your protagonist and his or her love interest relationship will be the most fleshed out, but it can be a charming twist and add quite a bit to your plot to have 2 supporting characters share a romance. As long as it's well developed, then it makes sense. Also, there are many different types of romance. Make sure that you pick ones that are best suited for your plot and your characters. A grouchy curmudgeon isn't likely to believe in love at first sight. An impulsive young businesswoman isn't likely going to go for a slow burn romance without exploring her passions with other people along the way. Boom! And time. Damn, Chaz. That was actually really helpful. Yeah? What'd I tell you? Your first 5 girlfriends were really imaginary? Yeah, whatever. Wait a second. Why are you dressing up to play your love interest for your novel? Were you gonna roleplay as both characters to see if it worked? What? That's... You don't... Hold on. So that time Karen came over for dinner and she was in the bathroom sick for 3 hours. Oh, you know what? Stuff it, turd sock. Get out of here, weirdo. Before I tell Mom and Dad how many times they made an extra plate for your fake girlfriends. Not today. I'm so sorry, Miss Mickelson. I don't know what came over me tonight. Your hair looked so... It looked so good.